Good morning, folks. CHMR James Ball here for your midday forecast. Beautiful sunshine as we look out at the live cameras now on New Gower Street in downtown St. John's. Beautiful sunshine, light traffic out there. Nothing to complain about. It's just a very beautiful day today. Looking at Middle Pond right now. Once again, light traffic and very little clouds. In fact, just lots of sunshine out there. And Shea Heights as well. Lots of sunshine, light traffic out there. And as we get into Kenmount Road, a little bit more traffic there as we get into the afternoon rush hour. But other than that, lots of sunshine and dry roads. So plenty of sunshine out there. Just a beautiful day. And as we take a look at the roads in Windsor Lake and Thorburn Road, also looking dry with plenty of sunshine and light traffic. Alright, we're going to see lots of sunshine today as this high pressure is keeping two systems out at bay. We're going to see that sunshine continue, but that system in Greenland is going to sink southwards, and that's going to bring us increasing clouds for tomorrow afternoon and into tomorrow night and Thursday to bring us a few showers and flurries as we get into Wednesday afternoon and evening hours and into your Thursday morning. Other than that, though, it is dry for today, tonight, and much of tomorrow. Alright, let's take a look at the forecast now. So lots of sunshine but cold. We have a late day mix for tomorrow and a Thursday and a warming trend for the weekend. -3 out there right now, dew point at -10, the humidity at 57%, the winds from the west still at 26 km per hour, gusting at 52, giving us a wind chill still of a cold morning at -10 and the pressure at 990.10 millibars. Closer look at today's forecast, -8 this morning at 6 a.m. with lots of sunshine. Those winds were northwest 40 km per hour. We'll see west winds now throughout the rest of the day with lots of sunshine from noon to supper hour, with temperatures at noon at 0 and 1 degree by supper hour, a high of 3 degrees for your day today. Look at the hourly forecast. By 9 o'clock and noon, we are looking at increasing sunshine. Still some very cool temperatures out there. 0 by noon hour, and by 3 o'clock this afternoon, +3. That will be our high temperature for today, and 1 degree by supper hour with continued sunshine and a few clouds. Heading out to school today, we woke up this morning with temperatures around -7, -8 as we head to the bus stop. By noon time, we're looking at 0 as you head out for lunch. So still freezing out there, but still lots of sunshine and lots of sunshine for your afternoon at 3 o'clock. When you head on the bus to go home, temperatures are going to be right around the 3 degree mark. Take a look at the day plan for today. Once again, lots of sunshine right through from 6 a.m. to 6 o'clock this evening. Temperatures slowly rising above freezing by the afternoon hours. Pollen counts today right around low to moderate today because of that sunshine, but temperatures on the cool side are going to keep the pollen counts a little lower today. For tomorrow, we are looking at higher pollen counts through medium to high as we get more sunshine and warmer temperatures. And Thursday, we're looking at low pollen counts because of the rain and showers. And Friday and Saturday, that pollen count just goes through the roof. We're looking at high levels of pollen counts for Friday and Saturday. So if you have allergies, you may be suffering for the weekend because we're going to see lots of sunshine but also some warming temperatures as we get into the weekend. For today, lots of sunshine, +3 degrees, no chance of rain, west winds 40 km per hour, mostly clear tonight, not as cold, -6, west winds 30 km per hour. And if you're heading out tonight, it looks like this: 6 o'clock this evening, mostly sunny skies and 1 degrees, mostly clear skies 9 o'clock, midnight, and 3 a.m. The temperatures slowly falling down below freezing and -6 by 3 o'clock, and waking up tomorrow morning at -3 at 6 a.m. For tomorrow, increasing clouds, a very slight chance of showers late in the afternoon, about 20% chance. Otherwise, we are looking at increasing clouds to mostly cloudy skies by the afternoon. 6 degrees, southwest winds, 40 kilometers per hour. For the weekend, it looks like this. Dry Friday, Saturday, with temperatures of 6 to 8 degrees. And by Sunday, we are looking at double-digit temperatures with a chance of showers in the morning. Otherwise, we are clearing out Sunday afternoon. Temperature tracker shows temperatures for the next 4 days will be either side of 5 degrees, which is a few degrees above or below average. So, not bad for the next 4 days. Temperatures of 3 to 6 degrees, but we warm up by Friday and Saturday with temperatures getting into the double digits by the time we get into Sunday. As we get into the 7-day forecast now, it looks like this. Thursday, those showers return 5 degrees, but by Friday, sun and clouds, 6 degrees. Saturday, mostly sunny skies and 8 degrees. Chance of showers on Sunday morning, still mild at 10 degrees, but the cold air returns for Monday, but we're keeping the sunshine at 3 degrees. That's your CHMR weather at midday. I'm CHMR Chief Mountain Spot. Have a great day.